Guys, if you don't shampoo, please don't comment.
Hey dudes, welcome back to our channel. We are cheap, lazy naturals. We are cheap, lazy naturals, and today we're going to be speaking about the second step of our wash day routine, which, remember, we are going through the basics of making your own routine as a natural, and we're focusing on wash day for now. And so the second step of wash day is shampooing. And if you haven't watched our previous video, please go and watch it because we spoke about the first step, which is pre-poo. So yeah, today we'll be speaking about shampooing.
So stay tuned.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Okay guys, so the second part of wash day routine is the shampoo process. The shampoo process is mainly for cleansing both your scalp and your hair strands. And another important thing is that it unclogs your pores so that you can take in new moisture and that your hair can actually grow out of these pores that are now not clogged because you've actually cleansed your hair. So when you're applying shampoo, you should actually focus on your scalp. So get a nozzle or something that you can apply into your scalp so that you're reaching your scalp. And then as you're washing it out, it will clean the rest of your hair strands. That way you're not stripping your hair too much. So that is it for the shampoo process. Namaste.
Okay, so now we're just going to be discussing how shampoo differs from hair to hair depending on your hair porosity, as we did in the previous video.
So because I'm high porosity, the only thing that differs is that I don't have to shampoo as frequently. So I can do it every second week or even once a month. Yeah, everything else stays the same, as in just focusing on your scalp and not on your actual hair strands.
Yeah, so I have low porosity hair, so my hair is more prone to product buildup, so I definitely need to shampoo on a more regular basis. So I shampoo on a weekly basis. And I also, focus on my scalp and then just let the shampoo rinse down or run down my hair when I'm rinsing out the shampoo. And that is pretty much it, yeah. Everything else is pretty much the same.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We really appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
We appreciate the time you're taking out of your day. Please just leave some comments down below. Let us know any stuff that we may be leaving out. Tell us some tips, maybe we can learn from you guys as well. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and so that you can actually join the series that we're doing. We'll also link
our playlist,
the previous video and the playlist. Thank you so much. Bye.